Hello again, it's Noob, and I saw this set of master locks in their packaging. Hello again, it's Noob, and I saw this double pack of master locks still in their packaging. Hello again, it's Noob, and well, today we get to look at a set of master locks still in their packaging, brand new. I found it on eBay for an absolute bargain. And this is how it came, so I'm just going to cut this out of the pack that it came in. Super well wrapped from the seller, so that's always good. I believe that this is sort of unused new stuff which the seller didn't want, and it was at a price point where I just thought, oh, why not? It'll probably make a fun little video. I do like picking a master lock or two. These are Excells, or the Excell range of master lock. In the US, I believe that they are Magnum locks, or Core Magnum. I don't know what all this is on here. Can you see that? That's weird. Very strange. It's very flaky. Getting this plastic flakes. I don't know what that is. How weird. But yeah, it looks like it's all there and all new. Keys all wrapped up. What's going on here? Oh, that's very odd. Has that been cut on purpose? Yeah, it looks like somebody's tried to snip these off and then probably didn't need the locks. I don't know. You got the keyway covers, which... oh, they go down that way. That shows what I know. Oh, don't like that. Look at this. They can actually twist round. That's really not a great design, is it? This is a number 8 on the pickability scale. Let's throw in a turning tool and find one which fits the keyway nice and snug, like that. And let's see what it takes to open these up. So let's just try oh yeah. So that's one. And let's try this one. I'm assuming, of course, that they're keyed alike, so I'm also assuming that this will work for both of these locks. So again, we'll just put some light tension on, go in with this rake, and that appears to be open, but it's not opening. Oh no, it is. There you go. So yeah, 8 out of 10 security, sort of what we expect from master lock. Sadly, but yeah, there we go, 2 unlocked master locks for you. Because we can, let's have a look at the keys, see what they look like. I imagine, based on how easy they were to rake, they probably flat bitting. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, look at this. 4 pins. I thought these were a 5-pin lock. Okay, 4 pins. Very tiny, very flat bitting, and exactly how you expect them to be. That is really bad, isn't it? They don't. Are these even real master locks? I mean, I've picked a lot of master locks in my time, but these just appear to be. I don't know. Look at the finishing on them. Very, you can't feel this, but it's very rough. I'm assuming that these are legitimate master locks, but they feel cheap even for master lock. Yeah, maybe somehow they've had a dip in quality, I don't know. Boron carbide shackles. I'm assuming that these are going to be relatively good against physical attacks, but wow, that's really awful anti-pick. And yeah, the quality on these, just look at the finish on this. It just feels like somebody's overground them. You can see like the heat burn on the metal here, where it's discoloring. Can you see this slight yellow haze on there? Just, yeah, not good at all. Feel very rough. And I mean, I'm not out here to hate on master lock. They do actually some relatively good locks for the price point, if you know what you're looking for. But this, I mean, look at that. It looks like this has been ground so hard it started to melt the metal or something. I don't know what's going on, but the quality control on this just looks really bad. Look at this, like how it sticks out there. Wow, that's really gross. Anyway, well, there you go. Do with this information as you will. 2 Master Lock Excell Discus locks picked out of the pack within a matter of seconds. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like this video, leave a like. If you have any comments, I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, want to see more content like this, please do so. It really helps me out, and I'll see you all next time.